Alright, well, I've stripped back all of the wires, or I haven't stripped them, but I've taken off all of these little bullet connectors because I'm going to redo all of these with these new waterproof clip-on connections. And so first step is just to take off all the old bullets. It's convenient that they're all color coded, so you don't really have to pay attention too much to taking them apart, because obviously the green with white goes to green with white, red goes to red, white goes to white, green with purple goes to green with purple. They're all color coded, so you can match up the ends that go underneath the car to the ends that come out of the wiring loom. I'm not going to go over every single one of these wires, but I'll just show you a couple here. I'm gonna snip off these ends to these reds, and I'm gonna go red into red, and this is all of these connections are either single wire into single wire, or it's a double wire here from the wiring harness on the chassis to the wiring harness or the loom that goes underneath the car. So it's either double into single or it's single into single. The tricky part with this is these double into singles. So you're taking two wires, splicing them together here, and then connect them into one wire here. Now they don't make a connector, one of these snap-on connectors that goes two into one, so you have to splice the two wires together and then connect them into the one male connection here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna put all the male connections are gonna go down here, all the female connections are gonna go up here, and hopefully I can get it to go. There's not a lot of extra wire here, but there looks to be just barely enough that I can make it all work. Alright, so what I've done with this red one is I've put some shrink wrap around it so that I can get this end around, and I can grab onto that shrink wrap and it'll tighten down and create a seal. So I'm gonna get the crimper tool and crimp that on. Alright, so now on the single end it's easy. You just strip off a little bit, push this gasket on, you make sure that the end is good. Then your crimping tool, you place your end into the crimping tool and you tighten it down, and then you go back in and you place the end into the small bit of the crimping tool, and you really clamp it down good. Then you got a nice connection here. Okay, now for these ends, you have to make sure you line it up correctly. There's a tab on there and there's a way to do it. So you push this grommet down, and then make sure it goes in the right way. And you'll hear it click. and it snaps in there, and then it's all connected. It's tight. That's good. And then the other one on the other side. Alright, once all of the splices have been made and the connections are good to go, then you just have to plug them together. So find the right connection here. Red goes to red. Red with green to red with green. Purple connection goes there. Okay, it's good. I'm missing one connection right here. I just need to splice in one to this purple white wire. But other than that, all these connections are now good. Now I just have to reconnect my coil, move these out of the way, make them look tidy. And that's rewiring of the harness right there to make it a little more up to date, make the connections stronger, and that way those bullet connectors, you won't have to worry about those failing on you.